Alright, after my little forge experience a couple weeks ago, I kind of got the bug, but I didn't want to spend $500 or $1,000 or whatever to get started in the thing. But a guy at work said, hey, you can just make a forge out of a brake drum. Look it up. Okay, so, well, I didn't quite follow all the instructions on the internet, but I wanted to see what I could do with just a brake drum and a fireplace bellows. And so I put together this little thing, which is basically just a brake drum. I had to do some machining on it, close off some holes and stuff, but it was pretty much ready to go. And then I stocked it up on a cement block and put a couple rotors under there to give it some thermal protection. And I put that piece of rebar in there, good and rusty. And then it's kind of windy, but I just, gave it a couple, well, it's been in there 5 minutes maybe. And I was able to get that thing up to red hot just with that setup. Now it's a little cooled off now because I haven't been pumping it for a while, but I think I could actually work something with no dryer, no mechanical blower of any kind, get a nice windy day, maybe route some wind in from the bottom, but it's proof of concept, I guess. And I'm gonna take that out and beat on it a little bit just to see if it moves. I've got my railroad tie that I'm trying to make into a anvil, but I think some of the other videos I've seen are making me think, you know what, just buy an anvil, quit trying to make one. It's a lot of work. And so far I've welded a step on it, but I need to do some forge welding to kind of get all the pieces together, and I don't have that much of it done yet, and I certainly don't have this forge ready to make that kind of heat to forge up a railroad tie. So who knows where it goes from here, but I was pretty happy that just with an hour, maybe half an hour labor, I put this together. And of course this is one of the kinds of wood that I burn often is locust, and it seems to get to this charcoal stage and just stay there for a very long time. So this is just took a flat shovel, scooped some coals out of the fireplace and brought them out and plunked them in there, and that was that. I didn't do any coaxing or starting or anything like that. I just took some coals and put them in there. But like and subscribe, you know the drill.